How to build a question and answer website on WordPress. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a question and answer website using WordPress. It's going to be easy and it's going to be beginner friendly. So without any delay, let's get to the video. So first of all, what you need to do is basically you have to open your WordPress website, and this is the website that I have. So before building the question and answer website, you have to know what kind of question and answers you want. Is it a survey? Is it a feedback response? Is it for a course you want to create a quiz? What kind of question and answers you want to create? Building a question and answer website is no difficult thing. You just have to add in simple different plugins and you have to use that to create your question and answers. But to know the niche of question and answers is the most important thing. Otherwise, your website will be all confused and it won't look professional. So you have to basically get to know what kind of niche that you are in and what kind of question and answers you want to create, and then you have to create and you have to add the plugins according to that. This is the dashboard of my website that I have right now, and now I'm going to go into the plugin section, and in the plugin section I'm going to click on add new. So now in the plugins there are multiple plugins available for different type of question and answers that you want to create. Like if you want to add quizzes, you can basically add a quiz kind of plugin which creates quizzes. If you want to add a survey, you can add survey kind of plugin. If you want to create let's say feedback responses, you can add a feedback kind of plugin and that will do your work. Okay, so plugin I'm going to use is quiz and survey master. So this is the kind of plugin which covers everything. It will help you create a survey, it will help you create a quiz, it will help you create exam and questions and everything. So it will help you create multiple things in one plugin. So I'm just going to use that. If you want to have just a specific kind of plugin and just going to create a specific kind of thing, you can search here let's say quizzes, and you'll get the plugins which are related to quizzes, and you can use them as well. So I'm just going to install it right now, and then I'm going to activate it and use it and show you how it's done. I'm going to activate it. Okay, so in my plugins here I will find my quiz and survey master. So I'm just going to click on this one, and then I'm going to come up and I'm going to do a bulk action of activating my plugin. Click activate and apply. Okay, so plugin has been activated. Now I want you to go on to that plugin, and here you can see this is the plugin that I have, quiz and survey master. This is the dashboard, quiz and surveys, question category, results, settings, tools, stats, add-on settings, and get a free add-on. So I'm just going to click on the dashboard and I'll show you guys how the dashboard looks like. Okay, so here you can see welcome to quiz and survey master, formerly quiz master. Next, okay, so to get started you have to create a new quiz survey. Then there are next steps to see, read documentation, extend QSM and everything. Then there are some useful links, most popular add-ons. These are some add-ons that you can buy for some kind of money, and you will have a customized quiz or some kind of question and answer form for yourself, which will be better than just simple add-ons. So I'm just going to create new quiz or survey, and then they have asked me to select a theme. So this is the theme that is available for me, and these all are basically available on the pro version of quiz and QSM, and I don't have a pro version, so I'm just going to go with that later on. Before that, I'm going to show you some quiz settings. In the quiz settings I'm going to enter the quiz name. I'm just going to say mock quiz. Let's say mock quiz because that's what I'm not creating a formal quiz right now. Then the form type, what type of form you want to create. Is it a quiz, is it a surveys, or just simple form? It's going to be a simple form. Enable contact form, display a contact form before quiz. If you want to enable someone to enter their contact information before starting the quiz, you can just enable the contact form, but I'm not going to add it because it is a simple questionnaire. It's not a quiz, it's not a survey or anything, so that I don't need a contact information of anyone filling this kind of survey. Then there is a time limit option. If you want to add a time limit, if it's a quiz, then you can add a time limit of 30 minutes, 1 hour, whatever you want, but I'm going to leave it as 0. And questions per page, I'm going to add, let's say I want to add not more than 4 questions per page. Over the default pagination created on questions tab, so questions per page will be 4, and require user login. And if you want to have your user login before they start to fill out the survey, you can just turn it on. I'm just going to let it turn off. And then there are disable first page on quiz. After completing one page, if you want to disable it, then you can click on this no. Disable first page on quiz. If you don't want to disable it, then you can click on this no. If you want to disable it, then you can click on yes. Then enable comment box, allow users to enter their comments after the quiz. You want to gather comments after the quiz, or not, you can just click on this option right here. Then there are some add-ons. If you want to add some add-ons to your quiz, you can just click and buy them, but you have to buy these add-ons. I'm just going to go with next because I don't want to buy anything, and then create quiz. Okay, so now you can see this is the page 1 of my quiz, and this is my question right here. You can add different pages to your quiz and you'll be good to go. You can add different pages, you can add different questions on different pages. So then there's contact text. I will show you all of these one by one, but for the first thing, I'm going to add a question here. So in the question, I'm going to add, what is your name? Let's say, what is your name? So this is my question. It's a simple question and answer form. So this is the question I'm going with. Then there is if you want to add a description to your question, then you can add a description like what is this question about it. If it's a quiz, like you add a question, then you write a description for the students to read how to solve it or how to answer this question, and you can add that kind of description right here. And in the answer, you can I type in any kind of answer, and if you want to have this question as a multiple choice question, you can just click on here and add the choice you want: multiple choice response, multiple response, number, date, number, text, short answer. I'm going to add a short answer to this because what is your name, you can not add a multiple choice. You cannot add anything to this kind of question. It must be short answer, and this question is required or not. It is going to be required, and I'm going to if it has a category, you can just click on this category. I'm going to save this question. Okay, so then there is an option to correct answer info, comment box, field type. You can add a hint to the question, you can add an autofill to the question, and then there's a limit text, maximum number of characters allowed. If you want to add it in any question, then you can just create that and then create new question, click on that. Okay, so in the new question, I'm going to basically type my question here, and my new question will be how old are you, let's say. Okay, so now in this thing, now you can have two kind of options. You can give them two kind of options. First of all, you can give them a number, like a number, what kind of they want to add, any kind of number they can. If you want to give them a multiple choice question, you can do that as well. In the multiple choice response, you can give them the category of age from 1 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, these kind of age gaps, and you can have them select one kind of multiple choice category that you have. And after that, you can just hint, comment box, and correct answer information. If you want to give your correct answer right away when the person fills it in, and then you are going to save the question. Now if you want to add add a new page, you can just come down, extreme down, and you can click on this option here which says create new page, but I'm not going to do that. Then there is an option which says contact. I'm going to show you all of these options one by one so that you know what's going on actually here. So I'm just going to wait until it loads up. Set up contact form. This is where you can have a contact form made like the one that we said. It is not going to be used by us, but you can make a contact form like given your email, your phone number, your name, your full name, and something like that. You can add a type, you can add a label, etc. In the text option, you can just go to text option. Okay, so this is the text option. Here is how your message displayed before the quiz. If you want to display any kind of message, then you can just come here and display that message. Then there are options, there are emails, and there are result pages. This is how your result will be shown and everything. So this is the form that I have just created. So I'm just going to save changes, and I'm going to publish my quiz. If you want to publish your quiz, just click on this option right here and your quiz will be published. Okay, so my quiz is published. Now if I go into the QSM and I'm going to quizzes and surveys, I will be able to find my quiz there, and here is my quiz. Okay, so I came into quizzes and surveys here, and here is my mock quiz. So here is the short code, and here's the number of questions too, and the views are 0 and the participants are also 0. If I click on this option here, I can also come here and view the results of the quiz if I got any results. So this is how you can create your question and answers on WordPress. You can just add this plugin and have any kind of question or any kind of survey, any kind of feedback response, any kind of quiz created for you in a very simple manner. I told you all the options, I told you all the features. They are very easy and they are very beginner friendly, so you can create something really good out of just nothing and out of just scratch. So I hope this video was fun, and I hope this video was informative enough. So if you have any query, just comment it down in the comment section below, and I will try to get back to you guys. And until the next video, take good care of yourself, and bye bye.